So now let's get started with the video. So sometimes when you're trying to upload an Instagram story and you're trying it multiple times, your story is not uploading, this error might occur. But the first thing you would like to do, very obvious thing, is check your internet. Check if you're connected to the internet and you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. If you're using data, make sure that there is no background app consuming all the data, just like you're downloading a heavy app or updating some app on the background. If that's going on, your story will not upload. So make sure you're connected to the internet, very obvious thing. The next thing you can do is try restarting your phone. So sometimes, things don't work out, so try restarting your phone. The other thing you can do is go to your phone settings and under apps and notification, go to Instagram, and here you will clear cache. So you will clear the cache. So this might help. And another thing you can do is go to your Instagram app and then you'll go to settings. So go to settings and then under account, you go to your browser settings. And here you clear your browser data. So you'll try to do this. And once you do that, the other thing is try to make sure that you're on updated Instagram app. So you go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure that your Instagram is up to date. It's the latest version, and because in older versions there are bugs that might affect the app experience. So if none of these is working out for you, open up Instagram and under settings, you will go to help and here you'll click on report a problem. So under report a problem, you will report that your story is not uploading and you'll upload this photo which shows that you cannot upload this story. So once you do that, you click on submit the problem and your report will be received by Instagram and you will be reached out back by them and they'll solve it for you.